This is Kent, and I'm going to show you how to add some basic products to the store on FAS Clothing. First, you come up here and you want to add the title. Let's call this blue hoodie. Just the title of your product there. Then add a description right here, whatever you want to write about the hoodie. This will pop up on the screen later, and you'll be able to see where that goes. The next thing you want to do is you can add tags, snow, hoodie, blue. That'll just help you with your internet search rankings. You can add those in and have those set up, but you want to also categorize it. So let's say this blue hoodie is a snow for women. You'll have that added in there. You'll be able to scroll down. You're going to add a price. Let's say this hoodie is really cheap. It's only $10, but today it's going to be on sale, so we'll just put it as $8. You also want to go into custom settings. You can enable a sizing guide so people can see what kind of size they want their clothing and compare it in different countries. The next thing you can also add is put this as a new product. It's going to pop up in the corner of the image for new product. This is an example. You'll see that this also has it on sale and it's new. But we'll go into there. The next thing you want to do, the biggest thing, most important, is add a media file, add an image. These are some images that we've already had. And you can either click on one, it'll bring it up over here in the corner, and you can see that and the information about it, what size. But let's upload a file just for time's sake. We'll grab this blue hoodie. You can just click and drag, bring it over the top. It'll start loading that file up, and it'll bring it forward over here and to this side once it's all the way loaded up. Now once that image is completely loaded up, it's going to pop up with the information over here on this side. It'll always be loaded into your media library and you can use it later. As soon as you see the image, you can put information in here. So you can label it, you can put a caption next to it, description, information. This will give you a default single product image. That's all you really need it to be, is a product image. And you click set as featured image. It's going to bring you right back to this page. And you can do one of two things. You can either save the product so you can work on the description later or do anything you want with it, or you can publish the product and bring that into your store. As soon as you click publish, it's going to make it accessible to the public. Everybody's going to be able to see it. So let's take a look at the changes, and you can hit preview anytime you make changes just in case, but we're going to have that pop up. It pops up in a separate screen. This is what your hoodie will look like. The information, we put add a description, and this will pop up on the screen. We had the sizing guide we added in the corner. The image, once you click on that, it's going to pop open to a bigger page. And then you can also put a product code, an SKU. So when you start handling inventory, you can add that number into there. And so that when people buy it, you can get that stuff figured out. The other thing you can do is start going into detail, adding taxes and sales taxes, and you can change that in the settings as well.